Hey traders, let's take a quick look at NIR today. NIR crypto is up 9% in the last 24 hours, now at $1.36, with strong trading volume backing the move. So, is this the start of a bullish run, a quick pump, or just a trap? Strong price and volume is promising, but fast spikes can reverse. If momentum holds, we could see more upside. Stay alert and trade smart. Also, quick update, we've just released our latest NIR crypto price prediction update. Support and targets revealed. Big moves could be ahead for NIR. We've just dropped our latest analysis with key support levels and price targets you don't want to miss. If you'd like deeper insights, check out our Patreon page, link in description and comments. There's also a starter plan available for just $10 if you want to try it out. Got a specific chart you want analyzed? Feel free to DM me anytime. Happy to take requests. Catch all the details via the link below. Disclaimer, please do your own research. This content is for informational purposes only and is not financial advice.